Today on Uncovered.
I got it.
After robbing a liquor store and assaulting staff who tried to stop her, this brat gets a lesson from police she'll never forget.
I won't bite you no more, please stop!
On March 28th of 2024, officers confronted the suspect a few blocks over from the location of incident, to which she immediately gives them an obnoxious attitude.
Something. You want to touch your car?
That's fine, but just if you just stop walking from me though, okay, right? I just want to be chill with you.
Right.
Right? I don't know what happened.
They wouldn't let me take shit.
Okay, but we're talking Jewel, right?
Yeah, I was gonna rob them and I didn't.
Okay, well just hang tight though, girl. Hold on. Listen.
Hang tight for what?
Well, because you're getting like way too amped up about it, you know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you mean.
Well then just stop and listen.
Oh,
like
so
it's as simple as that.
Flags coming.
Yes. Yes.
Because I'm so amped up.
You just stop.
Don't act like I'm not going to stop. Don't act like I'm not going to stop.
You were walking away.
To your car. I was walking to your car.
Stop many times.
And I was walking to your car like you asked me to do.
Times, but I told you to stop many times.
Okay.
Okay? So just chill out. So were you at Jewel?
I was at Julasco.
Okay. What happened here? You okay?
No, I'm not okay. Thanks for asking.
I'm asking.
What's it matter for? It has nothing to do with you. What's it matter?
But it does. I don't know what happened at Jewel. I have no idea what happened at Jewel.
Happened at Jewel.
Okay, then just chill out and let's talk about it. What happened with that bottle?
I dropped it.
All right, so nothing happened at Jewel.
No.
Okay, you didn't steal nothing?
I didn't steal shit.
Okay, did you have a cart?
I did have a cart, and did I leave with it? No, I didn't take shit out that store.
Okay.
Okay.
Can somebody talk to...
They are.
Okay. So you got nothing on you, nothing like that?
Nothing
No
on me.
items?
I got this bottle that's broken.
Okay.
Again, no, we can give you a ticket for open container, okay? So that's going to stop. You got an ID on you?
I do. Right here.
Set it over.
So what happened, what they said,
For a call
was that
that's
you were
red flag.
battered.
I battered?
You battered somebody.
I beat someone up?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
That's what they said. Okay.
Did I?
That's why I was trying to be chill with you and like figure that out. You know what I mean?
You said I don't want to get beat up.
Who?
I wouldn't beat you up. I wouldn't beat nobody
I can assure you wouldn't beat me up.
I know, I wouldn't.
Okay.
I wouldn't try.
Where are you living at now?
I'm homeless.
Homeless? Okay.
Hello? Yeah, the cops got me pulled over. So I'll call you back, okay? I'm pulled over by the cops. Myself. I'm walking. They're rolling. I ain't do shit. I wish I would have did something now that all these police people are around me, but I ain't do shit. They said I stole something from Jewel. I ain't take shit from Jewel. I was going to, but I didn't. I didn't have nobody in the face, and I wish I would have stole something. So we just gonna stand here then?
Yeah, until we figure out.
Yeah, until we figure out. Yeah.
For sure. I'm gonna set this down then. You want to check my bag, make sure I ain't steal nothing?
Yeah, if you let me.
You don't want to. Actually, don't look through my bag.
Why not?
Because,
No weapons?
there's a knife in there.
Alright, we'll leave it over here then, okay?
Okay, zip it up.
Yep, that's fine. You got a knife in here, we'll leave it over here.
No, thank you.
It's an open container.
I'm not gonna get caught with a bottle. Are you kidding me?
You said put it down. I did what you asked me to
You
do.
dropped that on my foot.
It did not drop on your foot. It's not even by your. It's next to your foot 2 inches. It hit your foot for real?
Don't. Hey.
I was gonna throw it. Stop! Stop!
Oh, don't you dare.
I'll put my hands behind my back. Stop!
Put it back. Quick.
I'm not doing shit.
Drop your phone.
No. Stop! You're not gonna take my phone from me. Stop!
I got it.
Put on the ground.
Hands on your back.
Stop!
Hold on.
I got this arm.
Give me this hand. Give me that hand.
I got this one, Tim.
I can't put my hands behind my back.
Then put it behind your back. Put this one.
Get off of me.
No. Put your hands behind your back.
You already got a resistance charge. You got this one?
You get off me. I'll put my hands behind my back. Let go of me now.
Let's go this.
Ow!
You got this one?
Stop!
Put a cuff on. She just bit me. Are you kidding me? She just bit me. Be careful. Now you're going to jail.
Let go of whatever's on that. Let go of that hand. Let go of it. Watch your hand. I gotta loosen them up. Watch your hands. Gotta loosen them up. They're too tight.
No, they're not.
All right.
She's not. No, you're not taking them off. Double lock and stick. You're good. You're fine. No, she's trying to bite at you.
No, I'm not trying to bite.
Knock you
I'm
off.
not doing that thing.
You just tried to bite.
I'm laying in the ground. Because you have my head pushed in the ground. I'm not biting you. You're stupid. I beat you because why the fuck you pushing my face
we
into
got
the ground? I'm not even doing nothing. I said I would let you help me out.
All right.
No. Hold on.
No, walk.
No, my stuff is on the ground.
Around me.
Okay.
me get her legs.
Grab legs.
No.
No, you're going in a squad car. You just keep
I know I'm going in a squad car.
got her?
Look, you guys keep
Yeah, you got her legs. No, you're making
No, I'm not. I said I would walk. Stop, please. That's right.
You want to act like a child? Are you kidding me? Here. Pedro, grab her legs.
Sorry, let me help her fight you.
Yeah. Okay, Rumpel, grab that side. We need to get her in a car before she kicks someone.
Ow! Stop! Oh, that's a good. I don't have to walk.
Okay.
That's comfy.
Put her down. You have the door open.
Watch your head.
No!
Quit.
Let go of me!
Get in the car.
How am I supposed to get in the car?
We're going to put you in the car.
Oh, yeah, I bet you are.
Yeah, so I don't want to get bit again.
But
Get in the car.
I can't! Can you let me help myself in?
No.
No?
If you keep kicking and biting us.
So I can't help myself in. So I'm not laying like this. Okay.
You're good, you're good.
Okay, well then we're not getting in here.
You got to
Oh, you're trying to put my arms over my back. Oh, that's
Pick up my
not
torso
great.
and pull it toward me.
She's like,
Pick up her legs, push her. Okay, get in.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
How the fuck can I get in if I'm not
Favor, pull
standing
him.
up? So hold on.
Go ahead and pull it.
No, you want to pull me in. Oh, okay. Can I have my soft bag, please?
Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Ah!
Put your foot in.
Yeah.
Put your foot in.
I'm losing this.
Put your foot in.
Let me on my hand.
No. Put your foot in.
Okay.
We'll just hobble you.
Okay, grab a hobble. No. Back.
I'm sitting here. I'm cold.
Knock it off.
Stop
Yeah,
that.
they're fine.
Hey, listen to me. You're about to get tased. Do you understand me?
I'm gonna take it.
Yes, because you're actively kicking a police officer.
No, I'm not. He won't let me put my feet in the vehicle. He's just trying to put my feet in the plastic. I can put my feet in here on my own. You don't gotta chase me for that.
Then knock it off.
You don't need to tie my feet up. Ain't no reason.
down.
You keep kicking us so you're getting your
Yeah.
Grab that strap, Bree. Just push her in.
I can get in by
Get in.
myself. You could have closed the door this whole time.
Watch your foot.
Are you done?
I can't breathe.
You what?
I got asthma really bad.
Do you have an inhaler?
It's in my bag.
Okay, listen.
It's in the smallest.
I'm gonna go get it, okay? But you gotta take a breath. You're making yourself all worked up. All right, listen. I'm gonna give you this inhaler, okay?
Can I fix myself, please?
Yes, yeah. Let's do that.
Are you going to kick or bite us?
No.
Okay, we will help you then.
Please don't touch me then, please.
Well, then how are we supposed to
Just
help
stay right there and don't touch me, please.
you? Okay, you asked for your inhaler, so do you want me to take a minute to get up?
No, I want it, please.
Well, you're the one contorting yourself like this. I'm not going to let you fall.
I said, please don't touch me.
Okay, I'm going to touch you.
Let me have my inhaler.
Then get up.
Please. Here, just hand it to me.
Can you get it from that angle, though? Let me just help you with it. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, ready?
Do it again.
You didn't even give us a chance.
I just was trying to figure out
Okay, have a seat back
Okay, I
in.
got it.
Okay, sit back in.
Like I said, I would have done this for
No,
the
you
first
wouldn't have,
place.
so
Yes,
stop.
I would have.
Well, don't bite and kick police officers then.
Well, don't pull me down. I'm a
Well-
drunk. Fuck.
Okay, you're under arrest for battery on the manager, felony retail theft, and then 3 counts of aggravated battery. For hitting us. Move your foot.
I don't even take them.
Move your foot
out of the
in.
door.
Move your foot in. Move it.
It's moved.
No, it's not. Move it in.
It's not in the way.
I'm not playing your games.
I'm not playing your
You're
games,
going to
it's not
county,
in the way.
so put your foot in. Okay.
Oh, so you gonna grab my feet and you gonna grab my hands?
They're gonna get hobbled.
Just calm
I'm calm.
Down. Cannot let you hurt yourself or
Okay, I'm not. The only way I'm hurting myself is because you're holding me down and my wrist.
We gave you.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm laying here. I'm not kicking. I won't kick. Stop trying to strap me up. That makes me go insane. Please don't. Please don't. I won't do nothing. Please, I promise you. I promise you I won't. Please.
Times at this point, and you kept kicking.
No, I didn't. It's because y'all kept trying to hold me down. Please stop. No, I'm gonna get angry. Please stop. Please.
You're fighting us. Okay?
I won't bite you no more. Please stop.
You said that so many times.
I won't.
Fucking A.
I said I won't. Please stop.
How many times though?
I don't care how many times I said.
I'm not letting you break equipment.
And you're not letting me break my legs either, huh?
Chill out.
I'm chill. Just,
No, you're not.
Yes, I promise
You got it tight?
Oh, my mama. Stop! Stop! I will stay chill if you
No.
let go of me.
What?
I promise you, I will stay chill.
No,
I
we're not
promise
doing
on
this.
everything
You're
I
just
love.
about brokenness.
You've said that so many times at this point.
Okay, and I will sit up and I won't do nothing. My wrist hurts so bad. There's bruises on them.
It's so much worse than it needs to be.
Exactly.
Then just stop.
Tell him to stop and I will stop. That's the only reason I'm doing
You
this.
haven't listened this entire time with us.
Okay, well,
Giving you so many chances.
no, you haven't.
Yes, we have.
No, you haven't.
But we have.
Stop! You're f***ing stupid. Stop!
Stop fighting.
Well, then let go of me.
But we can't because you're kicking.
I wouldn't kick if you let go of me. I will sit up and I will be calm. I promise you, on my mom, I will sit up and I will be calm. Give me one more chance. Please give me one more.
Touching you though.
Please. Please give me one more chance and let me sit up. Stop touching me.
Tell me why we should.
Because I promise I won't do anything else.
But can you agree with me that you
This is hurting my wrist. I have bruises on both my wrists. Because y'all won't let go of me.
just take a breath.
I can't take a breath because y'all won't let me, you stupid.
Calm down.
Look, I told you I would sit up on my arm. Let go of my...
Alright, her feet should be over here. I think her head's back here, but she just likes to bite. She likes to kick. Alright, she started moving.
Let me hold my... Ow.
What? Jeez, breathe.
No, I can walk, please. Please let me walk. It hurts so bad.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct, retail theft, battery of an officer, and resisting arrest. Let us know your thoughts on this video in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more never-before-seen arrest footage.